It's officially the end of summer, which makes us very sad, but now's the time to start preparing for next summer. We've actually got our challenges that take place each and every month, but this month we've got the Carnivore Shred and we've got the Metabolic Reboot coming up. And both of these challenges are designed to help you reduce bloat, to get rid of those extra kilos, to improve your gut health, which is very important, guys. For those of you that don't actually understand that, when you improve your gut health and your gut bacteria, all those other ailments start to disappear. So we've got members that are suffering from diabetes, celiac disease, high blood pressure, hypertension, inflammation, high cholesterol even, and we help them in some cases to actually go completely off their medication with the ketogenic lifestyle and with our monthly challenges. So basically what the Carnivore Shred Extreme is, it's a very strict carnivore protocol. We are going to be using broth fasting, egg fasting, high protein meals, and the nice thing is that you can actually do the whole challenge with the recipes provided, or you can get everything pre-made by one of our sister companies either in Joburg or in Cape Town. That's Gigi's On The Go Keto. That means that you can get the whole package and not have to think about a single thing. Everything gets made for you and it's all in your freezer. You just take them out the freezer, warm them up, and Bob's your uncle. Then we've also got the Metabolic Reboot, which is a strict keto protocol, which includes fermented foods this month, as well as nutrient-dense vegetables, high protein and fats. And this particular challenge will be including your course. It includes the daily fitness. So I actually film all the fitness workouts. You get your daily fitness goals as well as workouts for the week. Everything powered by Revive electrolytes, guys. Your electrolytes are vitally important, especially when you're fasting. And you also get exclusive discounts from Revive just by being part of our community. So all of this does take place on Ketonet mobile app, which is our social community app. It's pretty much like Facebook. You've got courses on there, we've got groups, we've got forums, discussions. You get to basically showcase your life and showcase your journey with us and share in each other's journeys and successes and wins each and every week. So Ketonet mobile app is available on Android and on Apple, and all of our challenges take place on there. So our courses that actually come with the challenge basically give you the education that you need to sustain this lifestyle long term, because education is power. And we find that so many people out there are following all these different social media influencers, and they're not really getting the education out of what they're following. They're following different recipes and they're following different ideas, but they don't actually understand what they're doing. And it's very important to us to educate our clients and our members on exactly what is happening in your body when you are in ketosis, what you're doing when you're fasting, reaching autophagy, and pretty much understanding how this beautiful machine works. So if you haven't done so, go download the app, join our community, and most importantly, sign up for one of our challenges. We've also got in April the Metabolic Shred, which is going to be a 3-month package. And you can choose to either do that with the recipes once again, or with the ready-made meals. We'll include various fasting phases. So we'll do 1 week carnivore, we'll do 1 week keto, we'll be doing broth fasting and egg fasting, and a whole range of different things. And if you want to sign up, it's $599.99 per month. Have a wonderful day, everyone.